So welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss about the VRRP. So in the previous video when we trying to ping that I said that I do have connected a switch over here, and E0/0 is connected to this one and E0/1 is connected to this one. So with the VRRP it's properly functioning, not a problem, but the issue is that what's happening when I am shutting down the interface on the switch, the traffic is still going on this way. It is not detecting anything or moving forward to the device 2. So this is the primary. Until this is up and running, it is still going via that way. So what's happening is that my traffic is being black holed. So it's coming in, the interface is down, and it is just dropping the traffic over there. So if I go back to my LAN device and if I try to ping 10.10.101.1, which is my data center, and I'm able to ping now because my interface is up and running. The switch interface is up over here. So what I will do is now I will try to initiate the ping like 200 times. And if I say ping, same thing, repeat 200 times. And I will also get my switch. I will say interface 0/0, make it ready. And I will just do it shut after that repeat. So it's pinging now. And here I will say shut. So once that is been shut, now it is not moving to the device 2 because my headquarters device 1 show VRRP. It is still primary. So due to that, what's happening over here is that because this device is primary, the router itself is try sending the traffic to the primary one, and over here it is black hole. So we want to get rid of that issue because the traffic is being black hole now and it is not moving out. So how to fix that problem? So let's go to the template, and you see that once I do the shutdown, it is not reachable. So what I will do, I will say no shut for now so that the device will come up. So in the VRRP, we can use a feature called that is gig 0/3 tracking system. So if I go back to that interface, go to the VRRP, click on edit. Now I do have two options over here, track prefix list or you want to track the OMP. So the best option would be to track the OMP itself because if anything happens disruption on the OMP, it will also affect the SD-wan fabric. So I think the best option I would go with the track OMP. So I will click on global and on it. That's it. And click on save changes, click on update. And now that should push to both the interfaces, both the devices now. Alright, so let that be pushed. So you see that both the devices are now online. That's all good. Alright, that is being pushed. Now let's go and do the same thing. I will say interface E0/0 and I will do the same thing this time. I will do the shut. So my device 1 interface is being shut. That means the traffic is still going over there, and that should automatically detect the OMP because we are tracking now, and after that the traffic should be forwarded. So it's still saying nothing. Let me see what is the issue. Let me go back to the device 2, and if I say show run VPN 0, and you see that I'm doing a NAT on the MPLS. So let me fix that one first. So I think I have already fixed it, but let's go to gig 0/0. I will click on copy. This is for the MPLS. So I don't want to do the netting on that one. So I will just go ahead and remove the net. Turn it off, make it default. And also in the tunnel, I will just keep the color as MPLS because that will be used by only one interface. Let's go to the device, TC2 edit, and over here I will change it to MPLS. Click on update. So click on next and configure. Right, that's all done. So let's go ahead and do the same thing now. It is still down. Let me go to the LAN and ping, and now it is pinging again. So let it finish and we will do a trace route to see which device it is taking on. So if I do a trace route, that is 10.10.101.1 numeric, and now you see that it is taking via the 4.2. Alright, so I just removed the NAT on the MPLS because that should be removed, and after that it worked properly. So again I will do one thing, so I will just try to ping one more time, and if I say no shut, so that primary device will be coming up, and also if I say show VRRP, and you see that this one is down. So but there is no effect of my traffic. It was 100% because it was going via the device 2 and still it is considering device 2. So now since that is now tracking the OMP, now according to the, if there are any changes on the SD-wan fabric, accordingly it will divert it to the device 2. So my VRRP is now efficient because even though the device ISP is down of the device 1, business internet is down, still it is able to detect it and it is able to forward the traffic on the MPLS. So let me go to the device 1 now, and now it became primary. So let me go to the headquarters again, and if I do the trace route again, it is going back via the device 1. So I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.